Top stories. Company involved in supply of substandard pipes to PHE will be blacklisted. Chief Minister Biren warns. If Code of Conduct for Lok Sabha polls come into effect, ongoing House session likely to cut short. And several MLAs found skipping assembly session. Hello and good evening, I'm ONEL Samandaram giving you the Times of Manipur English News. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today warned that company involved in the supply of substandard pipes to Public Health Engineering Department will be blacklisted. The government will not tolerate the supply of substandard pipes to the department and will conduct a proper investigation into it. Biren told journalists on the sidelines of the flag-off ceremony of a motor car rally at Hotel Classic Grand, Imphal. He said the case will be handed over to Vigilance Department and the company involved will be blacklisted. In a media query, the Chief Minister stated that the arbitrary power given to the Assam Rifles in the northeast India is a step taken for precautionary measures in the region in the aftermath of the recent terrorist attack in Kashmir. He mentioned that there are intelligence inputs that there might be a terrorist attack in the northeast region. Such step is a security measure for the welfare of the nation and it has nothing to do with the common people of the state. Commenting on the ongoing agitation by SSA and RMSA teachers over their demands, Biren Singh assured that the government will sympathetically consider the situation after the ongoing state budget session. He also appealed to the teachers to withdraw the ongoing agitation. The motor car rally was flagged off by Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Nitin Gadkari, on 4th of February from Rajghat in Delhi, organized by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways in collaboration with the Kalinga Motor Sports Club, Orissa. The motor car rally commemorates the 150th year of Gandhiji's birth anniversary. It will conclude at Yangon in Myanmar on 24th of February. CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam, Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Suhail Akhtar, Commissioner of Transport M. Lakshmi Kumar Singh, Transport Director Arthur Warchuo and several other officials attended the event.
The rally will help in reaffirming our belief in the principle of truth and non-violence, as well as in enhancing awareness on road safety. Gandhi's fundamental belief is in Saitya, the truth, which he also called God. Gandhiji believed in the twin principle of Satyagraha and the Ahimsa. The philosophy of Satyagraha holds that every human being is capable of doing well and thinking good. Satyagraha's aim is to bear self-suffering in order to generate a meltdown on part of the others.
The ongoing 7th session of 11 Manipur Legislative Assembly is unlikely to fulfill its fixed schedule in case the Code of Conduct for the upcoming Lok Sabha polls come into effect on March 1st or 2nd next. According to sources, the Lok Sabha polls are expected to be taken place in the early parts of April next. Given the circumstances, the Election Code of Conduct may clash with the sittings of the State Assembly. The current session, which has 13 sittings, ends on March 8. Fulfillment of the scheduled number of sittings of the House may require going against formalities by continuing the proceedings on Saturdays and Sundays. In this regard, the Business Advisory Committee needs to hold a meeting and take a decision. Most importantly, the House needs to pass all budgetary grants required by the present government for its administrative conveniences in the ongoing session. Several legislators were found skipping House session today, signaling laxity in the part of the people's representative at the time when the state is facing a difficult situation. TOM-TV journalist who was covering the proceedings of the budget session found several members both from the ruling and the opposition missing from their benches. But the speaker revealed the House that only Wangjing Tentha MLA Pounam Brojan had submitted an application seeking leave for the day, which was later permitted by the House members. Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren Singh today told the House that money under the government's startup policy is not given to beneficiaries through an easy method and that it is mandatory for all selected beneficiaries to go through certain stages to avail it. Biren was responding to a query from Congress MLA O. Suraj Kumar in the Assembly. He informed that over 2,000 applications were received by the state government last year seeking benefits under such startup policy. The government selected only 300 from among the applicants. For this year, the Chief Minister said over 4,000 people applied for the benefit. He assured that only the satisfied applicants will be selected by the government. Biren further informed the House that this year, the amount sanctioned by the Centre for Startup Policy has been decreased to Rs 25 crore from Rs 30 crore last year. He cited that the delay in the selection process as the key reason behind the cut in the amount. If need be, the state government will urge the planning department of the centre to raise the amount, he said. Union Commerce and Industries and Civil Aviation Minister Suresh Prabhu today laid the foundation stone for construction of hangar associated apron and link taxiway through video conference at Imphal International Airport. A hangar is a closed building structure to hold aircraft. Union Minister of State and Civil Aviation Jain Singh, Lok Sabha MP Dr. T. Manya, Rajya Sabha MP KSH Bhavananda, MLA Dr. Radheshyam Yumnam and S. Subhash Chandra were present during the glittering function at the airport. MP Manya said the hangar facility at the airport will enable scheduling-led flights in the state. He also felt that the upgradation of the Imphal International Airport will signify the meaning of being an international airport.
Perhaps aircrafts can stay here overnight, and we will be having perhaps late night flight taking off from here. At the same time, very early flight. So as I said just now, here the sun rises very early. So if we start a flight in the morning around 6 or 6:30, it will take us to Delhi or any part of the country by 9:30. So we have the full day working day before us. At the same time, when suppose from Delhi it comes around 7, this year 9, no problem for that. So like this, with this improvement in infrastructure, we'll have more advantages and more facilities for all of us, and we'll be well connected. At the same time, this has become an international airport.
Contrary to the claim by the state government on its various policies aimed at rooting out poverty, there were a lot of people who were struggling every day for their survival. One such case is of Akom Nayan, who has become immobile following an accident. Here we have a report. Even though the government promises to abolish poverty in the state through various welfare programs and schemes, Tom TV came across someone who has been living in extreme poverty. Nayan, age 65, from Wabagai Kairak Maninglaikai of Kakching district, became immobile after a tragic accident 2 years back. In the incident, he got injured on his thigh and back, and since then remains in the present unhealthful condition. He has to rely on his brother, who is also struggling hard for his livelihood. Nayan is currently living in his brother's courtyard. He ended his marriage with his wife 10 years back.
Ani pira ahum pira kuyawi adegi lupa nusiba mi lupa samji pipirami adu aina wa chengwa lagai adum thamjalli adegi aduga torga ai mayam jina mateng tobidna ai charaga ai hingjabani.
Despite his condition, Nayan does his daily chores like cooking, washing dishes, washing clothes himself. Local kids used to help him in fetching water for him, but the children now don't want to come near him anymore, narrated a frustrated Nayan.
Prime Minister Manipur Sam Biren Day Mating Hiding that is I'm the hiding Loin hiding Emil Mansi Amda Adutana Chat get over
Feeling pity, neighbors sometimes contribute rupees 100 to 200, but it does not happen regularly. He's living without any aid from the local MLA, Pradhan or member. Though he wants to help and be among the people, he couldn't because of his condition. Even though he has a CM healthcare card, he doesn't know where to use it. On the other hand, Nayan hasn't got the benefit of rice allocated to people living under below poverty line by the government. He is in desperate need of assistance from the Chief Minister, MLA and the public as well. He believes that his condition will improve if he gets proper treatment and will be able to return to a normal life. But he grieves over the fact that there is no one to take him to the hospital. It's now time for a short break. Stay tuned.
lamjingba group na Manipur da lairiba assembly constituency humphudagi mathauda pukning changba public relationship executive post ki miyoi amamam lawjagadori mahigi thak yamdrabada graduation oigedabani akupa marol gidama contact tobiro at 131944063 amukasu at 131944063 aikoi gi address lamjingba group Rims Road Imphal phone number at 131944063
Musicians, singers, dancers, rappers, actors, comedians, any talent. The stage is waiting for you to showcase your hidden talent all over India through Mega Talent Show on Lamjingba Times of Manipur private satellite television channel, which is available at Tata Sky. Prizes: winner rupees 1 lakh, first runners-up rupees 80,000, second runners-up rupees 50,000, 7 consolation prizes. Audition on 30th, 31st March, 1st and 2nd April 2019. Last date of enrollment 15 March 2019. Forms available at Tom Office, Uripok and the college near you. Call 940-299-1938.
Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyam gi seba da leizari apamba service khanbiu economy rate ₹15 per kilometer, standard rate ₹25 per kilometer, luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer. Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobiro 1800 1027 959 amadi 8794613154. Ekhogi website www.lamjingbacap.com.
Welcome back after the break. In an exclusive meeting with Tom TV, scientists in charge of CSIR Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, Huidrom Birkumar, said that the CSIR Central Leather Research Institute, Adyar Chennai, and CSIR Northeast Institute of Science and Technology at Lamfelpat, Imphal West will jointly are working towards promoting different kinds of traditional style bags. For this, an industry will be set up. He informed the products will be ladies' shopping bags, cloth bags, tote bags, fashion bags, cool handbags, lunch carry bag and file holder. He said that 90% of the products will be made with indigenous fabric, texture and design, while only 10% will be leather.
Production different types of ladies carry bag si OBI natragana koi tiffin carrier OBI or natragana file folders OBI natragana wallet OBI si koi hujik lebiriba product myam sing sini masai sida akoina sinajeriba raw material si koi Manipur gi fabric koi gi myam na dum sinariba koi fee makal varieties athabo OBI apabo different types of fee sing siga koi gi leather ga natragana some metallic kenoga combined to ne then maside da koina yamna chawna thrust area one thamjari sti koi gi local gi materials in a maximum oina yamdrabada akogi product amagi chada ko yamdrabada 90% natragana akogi masidagi hen materials in akoi ni Manipur sinarga aduga some akoi Manipur phangdaba for example akogi metallic ki product laina ko or natragana akoi leather sound jingsi masina mapandi kitang poragasu.
The objective of the indigenous-based product is to enter the global competition in the come-up once the AGS policy becomes successful. Birkuma claimed that exporting these products to other countries will help improve the state economy.
Hariba koi program si sahi ohungi mamangde koi na program si tawjarapani. Masida beginning da koi gi project sarakpa, projectization torokpa, madugi equipment procure tawpa, matang adagi know-how tawpa, adagi madugi model design develop tawma tanda koi matam jam sang bhai tareko. Adna hujikti koi production si all standardized torga koi production lay reo. Adna from this moment itself koi product si marketing ki venture tawbi arane. Mamang de koi research tawjabane. Karamba product tawgani madugi design na kramai tawgani madugi color combination na kramai tawgani madugi shape size na kramai tawgani adagi karamba fabric na tragana material use tawgani hai dugi research tawka na koina sei ohumari je thinjara matungda hujikti product se final tawre means we have already standardized the product tawrabani na kanagumba akoigi entrepreneur mana hariba product manga si akoi interest leiri harigadi product manga si adopt tawre na.
Former BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President T.H. Jadumani along with Executive Engineer of PMGSY Thaubal Division Thiam Samungo and Special Contractor M. Jotindro inspected the newly constructed 5-kilometer long inter-village road of Kangapok, Bangsibodon to Kiam Khongnang Makhong on National Highway 102 Imphal Moray Road, which falls under Kangapok constituency, Thaubal District. During the inspection, Executive Engineer Thiam Samungo assured completion of the road before Holi Festival to be begun from 21st of March. Former BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President T.H. Jadumani expressed displeasure over potholes found along the road which are causing inconveniences to the people, especially the school-going children.
yamne hena soksin badagi school kari bangang sing khudong chaba leitre aduna thu matam da semna ba taksin rubuda chief engineer PMGSY gi makha da leiba executive engineer thobal gi yun puriba gi naw samu ga koi executive contractor ga puni yaksin naga mars phog manu da thabak silu sitna bara tawne na haibire duga ai mai kai dei su thabak se thu da miyam gi yanga mars thasi ba.
The Great Kanglei Park, a WhatsApp group which today extended financial assistance to the sightless mother-son duo now undergoing medical treatment at Jennings. The group gave Rs 5,500 each to mother and the son by visiting them at the hospital. It may be noted that the wife and son of one Basan from Chairen, Laingang were brought to the hospital for treatment on the advice of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh after Tom TV a few days back carried a story on the life of the blind mother-son duo. The Jennings Medical Superintendent has promised to bring back their sights.
Emotional support to government amasung doctor sing da pibudu neba amasung media na lawriba thodang se asumba maigai da laibudo masine ba ekhoina encourage to laksabane ekhoina laksarisi ekhoina sida lupa manga tara pibudu gi damak ekhoi thoidona yam kana pibusu ngamjede ekhoidi tongan tongan ba sinfamda leiba amasung lari ba chutamiba mayam ama yawbani adubu ekhoina pijari basti media sumna season raktuna ngasidi sumaina awana tarabasing amasung mafam chadana leirabasing se ekhoi media group mayam sina pawse mathang mathang pinaragadi ekhoi punna chawkhatminaba nungaiminaba yagani haiba wakhalon do phaunarakudagi ekhoi asiguma program ase ekhoi lokhatsabani.
The Global Nagas has called upon every Naga across the globe to be part of the mass rally to be taken out from Mandi House to Parliament House Street, New Delhi on 23rd of February to push for a solution to the vexed Naga conflict. In a statement, Global Nagas said that in order to voice our anguish and desire and steered by collective spirits of Naga nationalism, the young Nagas boldly take the initiative. Global Naga call for immediate political solution to the Naga political issue, which is honorable and acceptable, although there have been rounds of negotiation taking place between the Government of India and the Naga leaders after the signing of the ceasefire agreement in 1997. The sincerity and political will of India to solve the problem is still questionable, the statement claimed. President of Socialist Students' Union of Manipur, S. Yaima, has issued a deadline to the concerned government department to make textbooks for class 1 to 10 available in Manipur within 5 days. The current issue on shortage of books is just a propaganda, Yaima said, and warned that the printing press which can't publish books on time will be blacklisted. The cease work strike by Ramsha and RSSA teachers over various demands today entered its 18th day. As a part of the protest, a large number of teachers staged sit-in protests at Imphal West, Jadio Zone 1 at Koyatong. One of the protesters, an upper primary teacher, Mayanglambam Kogendro, said that RMSA and SSA teachers have been working for 7 to 8 months without pay, considering the interest of the students. He urged the government to bring a solution to the difficulties faced by the teachers as soon as possible.
अखोई स्कूल चनब बराबर लेसलत मतमसिदा कमदोंना अखोइन आंगांसिंगदा लारिक ताकनी कमदोंना अखोई ड्यूटी सिंगजे अखोइन डिस्चार्ज तौगुनि हेब मतमदा अखोई तसेना मखोइ जे अवाबम ओइरे आइगी माइकैदिगी सरकारदा अपील तौजबदी तसेना अखोई स्कूलदा अखोई चचगे आंगांसिदा अखोई लारिक ताकप अखोई लारिक फजना ताकसगे अदुगु अखोइगी असिंगुल यामनो राइटफुल ओइरब अखोइगी डिमांड से असे सरकार अमुक्तंग खनाबिरे हारगा अथु मतमदा अमुक्तंग अखोइ जे यासनब होनबि हाइदुना आई सरकार अमुक्तंग आई रिक्वेस्ट तौजगे.
Smart Society organized a one-day health awareness health camp at Vocational Guides School Sangaitel today. Students were checked up and free medicines were also provided at the camp. Speaking to media, Secretary of Smart Society Manipur, Naringbam Dhanapati, said the camp was held with an objective to ward off diseases affecting children, especially during the intermediate period of winter and summer.
अखोई लाइबा लोकेलिटी अदगी लाइबा स्कूल सिगी आंगांसिंग अखोई लाइबा अखोई लाइना तिना अखोई लाकदबा अखोई हक्चांग अखोइना एनआई म्यामदगी नाथोकनाबा अखोइना मेन ओइना तौजबनी अहानबा प्रोग्राम ओइना अखोई नसी प्रोग्राम असि अखोइना स्मार्ट सोसाइटी ना ममांगदा अखोइना चथरकपा प्रोग्राम सिंगी सरुक अमोइना नसीगी प्रोग्राम असि जो हेल्थ केयर असि जो अखोइना पांथोकजबनी सेक्रेटरी अमदी अखोई लाइबिरिबा डॉक्टर अहम अमदी अखोई नर्स मंगा यावना अखोई हेल्थ केयर असिदा अखोइना
It's now time for another short break. Stay tuned.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari. Miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw lobi. Ngasi muglengchin biroksi mobile furniture Capital near Imphal Products.
Panthoibi embroidery da hauzik miyamna yamna pamnariba top, blouse, fanek, sengau, porloi amadi kangkhal na chingba luhongba da changba khudingmak amadi nupi oibi singi akemaugi potlam khudingmak ahongba mamal da fangbiragani loinana order su luxury Lengsin birau ngasimak Panthoibi embroidery Sagolban Khamnam Bazar opposite Oriental College Imphal. Contact number 700-540-2267.
The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
Spray oil, agarwood amadi, tang thangma machal kayana semba, adugumlaba, iramdang asida puthok saba, Rehal Perfume, Aryan Store, Dove, Lico Store, Jason amadi, Ningthozam Enterprises ta, Fangbiragani, Aikoi head office, Hatami Nuthong, near Symmetry Road.
Welcome back after the break. Prime Minister Narendra Modi received the prestigious Scholl Peace Prize for 2018 for his contribution to international cooperation and fostering global economic growth yesterday in South Korea. A short film on the life and achievements of Prime Minister Modi was also screened at the event. While conferring the award on Mr. Modi, the award committee recognizes his contribution to the growth of Indian and global economies, crediting Modinomics for reducing social and economic disparity between the rich and the poor. Modi is the 14th recipient of the award, and the past laureates include former UN Secretary-General Kofi Annan, German Chancellor Angela Merkel. Modi said that he would contribute the prize money of $200,000 to the Namami Gange Fund. The Forest Department of Assam has rejected the claims of over 27,000 forest dwellers of the state, due to which they will face eviction. As per the Supreme Court order, the forest dwellers will now be evicted after their claims under Scheduled Tribe and other Forest Dwellers Act 2016 of Forest Rights Act were rejected by the Forest Department. The Supreme Court had recently directed Assam, along with 16 other states of India, to evict those forest dwellers whose claims under FRA were rejected. The court directed to carry out eviction before the next hearing, which is scheduled on July 24th. The budget session of the Tripura Legislative Assembly begins today. Governor Professor Kaptan Singh Solanki addresses the opening session. Deputy Chief Minister Jishnu Devbarman, who is also the State Finance Minister, will present the budget for 2019-2020 on Monday. The session will conclude on the 1st of next month. Jammu and Kashmir government has moved the Supreme Court seeking the transfer of 7 Pakistani terrorists from Jammu jail to Tihar prison on grounds that they were allegedly indoctrinating local prisoners. The bench of Justice L.N. Rao and M.R. Shah sought a response from the centre and the Delhi government on the plea. Jammu and Kashmir government's Standing Council Shoaib Alam said the terrorists belonging to various organizations need to be sifted out of Jammu jail as they were involved in the indoctrination of local prisoners. A day after the Pulwama attack on February 14, the Jammu and Kashmir government moved the apex court to sift Al-Lashkari Taiba terrorists out of Jammu jail. On the other hand, the Supreme Court gave strict directions to the centre and several states to protect Kashmiris and minority communities, especially students, from violence or backlash in the aftermath of the Pulwama terror attack on February 14, leading to the loss of lives of 14 CRPF personnel. States police chiefs have to direct their officers to promptly take actions on complaints. The nodal officers appointed by the centre should act to prevent and diffuse tensions. If referred to incidents of violence against these communities in states like Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, Meghalaya, UP, Uttarakhand and West Bengal. The court issued notice to the states and added 2 more states, Punjab and Maharashtra, to the list. The court scheduled the case for hearing next on Friday. It's now time for the newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. Chief Minister bets for equal development of hills and valley. Ravi to brief Nagaland on status of peace talks. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur seeks support for March 3rd rally. Assam Rifle empowered to arrest, search, sends warrant. JDU to fill candidates in 2 Lok Sabha seats. Imphal Free Praise. Chief Minister assures development for hill districts under Hill Area Development Fund. House unanimously adopts the developmental plans addressed by Governor. Now Assam Rifles have power to arrest and search without warrant in Northeast. Rupees 857.89 crore collected at GST revenue, says Yumnam Joykumar. Forest Minister fails to give reason for illegal mining along Thobal River. The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister pledges inclusive development. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur plans mass rally on March 3rd. Rahul to kick off Northeast camping from Assam. 3 candidates expelled from higher secondary examination. Manipur Mail. House adopts motion of thanks on Governor's address. Road connectivity improved, says Bishojit. Bank returns withdrawn money. Ex-serviceman interaction.
And before we wind up the top stories once again. Company involved in supply of substandard pipes to PHE will be blacklisted, Chief Minister Biren warns. If Code of Conduct for Lok Sabha polls come into effect, ongoing House session likely to cut short. And several MLAs found skipping assembly session. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.